Would you like to see the world's simplest radio? Right there, you're looking at it. All you have to do is attach to an antenna, a ground, and an earphone to listen, and you've got yourself a radio. Let's do that. Here we have everything we need. We have our radio, which is a diode, a 1N34A. We got some clips just to hold things together because we don't really want to solder right now on camera. That would take too long. So let's just start putting it together. We'll take our diode and we'll clip it to the ground. There's a circuit diagram at the end of the video if you're interested in what that would look like. And clip one side of the earphone on the diode, so we've got the ground and ground here, our radio, and one side of the earphone, and then just another clip. It's a double-sided clip. Clip it to the antenna. Make sure things aren't touching. And then listen. And that's it. The world's simplest radio. Hope you found it interesting.